So as you see all the scooters up here, you're going to find out which one made it to the top at this incline. We just came up a 15-degree incline down there. Watch the video, find out which one made it to the very top. Now again, there's other bigger scooters out there. We're showcasing the scooters we have right here. $15-degree incline. Easy. C3. Maxima 4-wheel HD. No problem. Bumpy. DC 440, 400 pounder, 15-degree incline. Pioneer 10. Start here. Eco. Full power now. We just went ahead and we wanted to test this out on this huge slope. I think it's like a 40-degree slope, which you're not gonna go up something like this too often. So we just want to show you the C-Class, now not the S-Class, the C-Class 3-wheel couldn't make it. Now you maybe could have made it if you come full blast straight up it, but it was struggling very, very hard when it got up there. So we're just showing you a live test up. We knew this probably wouldn't make it, even though this is American-made Amigo. This is the heavy-duty 500-pound weight capacity scooter. I believe that's a 350 weight capacity scooter. The Maxima 500-pound weight capacity scooter didn't make it. Again, if I took these things full blast, it probably could make it, but it was struggling with the motor. Right over here, the Revo with a 400-watt motor. This thing's a very, very nice scooter. 400-pound weight capacity, 3-wheel, comes apart. Those don't, this does. Didn't make it up this high incline. What did make it was the Pioneer 10 by Marits, 500-pound weight capacity, big tires. It says it has a 6 miles per hour speed. I don't think it's that fast. It does have 2 gear settings, big tires, very nice. You could park it right here and it makes it straight up it. It made it, and actually the GC 440 by Golden Technology is a 400-pound weight capacity luxury scooter that can come apart. It made it up it too. Now it struggled a little bit here. It wouldn't start from like a stop to go, but it did make it. So out of these scooters, those two made it. We have other scooters coming in that we're gonna do tests on this, but right now this is what we have in stock.